we back? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let me know if you guys can see me and hear me. I believe we are back. Hopefully. Hello, hello. Yo. How about that? Is that better? Hell yeah, boys. Wasn't wrong, just early. Let's go. Nothing makes me want to have a happy Thanksgiving more. Hang on. I'm getting my other charts situated here. Get a PC, they said. It's so much better than your Mac, they said. You won't ever want to kill yourself, they said. They lied. Alrighty, boys. Well, yeah, if you guys can hear me, hopefully you guys can hear me fine. Hopefully I'm not frozen. If it crashes again, guys, I don't know. I put the picture in the Discord. I don't know what the deal is. I've replaced drivers. I've spent hours and hours talking to Grok and ChatGPT trying to figure this whole thing out. I don't get it. It'll be good for like 2 or 3 days and then it'll just crash again. This computer's not even a year old. I really don't get it. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I went from a Mac to a PC. So far, it's been one of the most costly and worst decisions of my life. I'm being a little dramatic, but it's given me a lot of issues. It really, really has. Short now. I tried the short. I got ran out. You guys can see the executions here. Shorted. First presented gap. Went stop above this high here. 38-point stop. We ran the high out into this. And this is where, like, you got to just give props, right? For those of you guys that are macro deniers. I mean, look, macro comes in. Now the move comes in. Trade before the macro. This is the kind of fuckery that happens. People were asking me yesterday, like, Tyler, why don't you ever trade like right at open or just shortly after open? I'm like, usually this is the fuckery that I try to avoid. You know? But should have waited for the second turtle soup. That's so fucked. Ugh. Yeah, that bites, boys. I don't know what to tell you. That's not fun. That is not fun. At all. Told you to short now. Leon, I hope you win the giveaway so I can pick someone else. Welcome to the VIP room as well. Dumbass. Anyone else having issues with Top Step? No, I'm having issues. I just had issues with my stream and my Chrome again, but well, boys, that is a bummer, man. I mean, there's really no two ways to put that. That fucking blows. Ah, man. That blows. That makes me very sad. Hell of a screenshot, though. Am I right? Deep breaths. Everything will be okay. Life is still worth living. Right? Somebody please tell me I'm right. Please tell me life gets better than this. I can't handle it. Life does get better, right? One loss doesn't define me as a trader. It's okay to lose sometimes. It's part of the game. Just because I did it wrong doesn't mean I don't know how to trade.
You're going to do it wrong. You're going to have transactions that don't pan out, that are profitable. And it doesn't mean you can't trade. It doesn't mean that your system's flawed. It doesn't mean that you won't eventually become long-term consistent. It just means that individual decision didn't pan out for you. And that's okay. That's one of the main takeaways I want you to understand.
Thank you, ICT. That makes me feel so much better. Oh my gosh, boys. Well, shoot. Yeah, so I don't know, the last time I tried showing you the P&L window, my whole shit crashed. Hopefully it doesn't do it again. Okay, it works this time. Yeah, so P&L down 545 per account. Bummer, dude. Bummer. Absolute bummer. Absolute bummer. Are we going to get to Asia lows is the question, though. 111. Top Step is fully down. Listen. Everybody do yourself a favor. Use the Black Friday sale with Tradeify. Come back to trading on Tradeivate, Ninja Trader, anything but Project X. It sounds like every time I'm reading the chat, someone's saying that Project X is giving them issues. Like, let's just, you know what I'm saying? At what point do we just say, all right, we as a people are going to unite against this shit. We need a fucking platform that works. I don't know. I don't even have it up. I'll pull it up. I had other issues to worry about so far today, but so far, knock on wood, we're fine for now. I restarted the old PC, so hopefully, yeah, it's not even, Top Step X isn't even loading for me, so. Looks like she's down, boys. Looks like she's down. God, dude, I'm fucking a little bummed out about this fucking trade, man. I'm a little bummed out about it. I'm a little bummed. Anyone else, or is that just me? Yeah, dude, that's such a bummer. Son of a gun. It happens, though. Fuck. Doesn't make me feel any better, but so and so, I told you to check the hourly level. Listen, if anybody else says I told you anything in the chat, you're immediately getting put in timeout and you're disqualified from all giveaways today. So don't be a dumbass. All right, I ain't fucking around, dude. You see what in God's green earth? What makes you come to my stream? You see me having went through this. You think you're like, all right. I just see Tyler got absolutely fucked right before his stream crashed and his PC went to shit. And I'm going to sit here and say something stupid. You think that's a good idea? Don't rage bait me. I'm going to fucking go for it today. I'm going to verbally... I don't revenge trade. I revenge chat. All right? I don't revenge trade. I revenge chat. I will project my anger onto you. So I'm just forewarning. All right? I'm just forewarning you. I will stoop to that level. All right? It's not below me. I'll stoop. I will stoop. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait now. I guess I want to see if we can get to Asia low. Obviously, that was the idea for my trade here, which obviously is just a bummer, but it happens. It is what it is. And then just reassess from there. But tough. I guess I should have waited for the macro. I mean, it's really the only thing that I'm thinking to myself right now is like, the reason that I hesitated on the entry to begin with was because of the timing element. And I'm like, maybe I should wait at least for like the 15-minute candle to close or something. But I didn't, you know, I got induced into the market. The market said, hey, I think you might like it. And I said, you know what, Mr. Market, I think I'm liking what you're saying. And I might agree with you. So I said, sold. I'll buy. Or by buy, I mean sell. So, yeah, I got induced into the market a little early on that. It is what it is. So, yeah, that's all I'm really thinking is how I could have avoided the loss. And really, it's just waiting for like the 15 minutes to close would have avoided it. Wait for the macro to begin, right? That's really it. I think price action-wise, it was good, but just early, obviously. So, that sucks. Nah, learn from it. ICT doesn't work, blah, blah. I can't tell if that's sarcastic or being honest. The timing element is like the biggest part of what ICT teaches. Listen, you can't just because you see someone lose a trade using ICT concepts does not mean, you know what I mean? Like, you know how many, I'll admit, this is me admitting I did it wrong. The concepts. Listen, hey, ICT, if you're listening, brother, ICT, if you're listening, this is what accountability looks like. There's nothing wrong with the concepts, all right? I did it wrong. I should have waited for better timing. I can't only be mad about myself and NASDAQ. I can be mad at the chart. I can be mad at NASDAQ. You know, but I can't be mad at old Michael. I can't be mad at Michael. Oh, Daddy Michael. Daddy Mikey. I can be mad at the PC. I can be mad at that. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys check the Discord, I did post. I don't know if anyone. So, in the chat, right? I posted this. This is what happens when my shit like crashes like that. This is what I see. It'll pop up this invink like encoder error. And obviously I usually have to like restart my whole PC and then it'll be fine again, at least for a while. But this is what I had to do last time with like, I had to go uninstall a bad driver. I had to go reinstall a new one. And then I thought I was in the clear. Wasn't having any issues at all this week really. And then now here we're back to this again. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Holy shit, Lang. Sheesh. What did he say? Project. Wait. So is yours not down? I thought you guys said it was down. He says, gotta love Project X. I don't know if that's facetious or if he's being serious. Somebody go pick on him for saying that. Doesn't even make sense. Everybody seems to always have issues with it. He's like, I love Project X. Let's go troll Lang for that. Let's troll him for that. That is... I don't think that's... He goes, I can't manage it. Oh, fuck. So he's actually stuck. So he's saying he can't manage it because it's frozen. Oh, no. Oh, God, Lang. That's tough. Oh, well, we're back at first presented fair value. I mean, what the hell, bro? End of the macro as well. Yeesh. What do you guys think? Maybe are we Are we not considering the fact that because ES took out previous weekly high already, that maybe objective has been met? Or what? So we're just going to see some whipsawing. But hey, still run up the likes, boys. Run up the likes. We're still gonna do giveaways today, as long as the stream doesn't crash again. We'll be doing giveaways on stream. Obviously, hop in the Discord if you're not already, so that way, if we have to, well, one, we'll probably use the Discord for a giveaway today, but then two, that'll be the backup option as well, obviously, if stream crashes again for whatever reason. So hop on in there, boys. The link is in the description and it's circulating. I'll drop it in the chat again. Hop on in there, boys and gals. That'll be our backup nonetheless. But yeah, dude, this 15-minute is a little bit choppy. Little choppy. You guys still like lower? What are we thinking? 5-minute gap? I still do. Gosh, bro. It's tough when you take a L on this. It's like, do I rejoin? Do I replay it? Like, short this 5-minute? I think it's just going to go. Oh, what would it look like here? I think it's just going to go. I think I'm already kind of late to seeing this. If it can give me the 200 level, I'll replay it. But like I said, I think I might have missed this. Seeing the 5-minute gap late. But I don't want to chase it. It's so choppy and we're whipsawing back and forth. It's like, I don't want to get filled down here and then we wick all the way back up. You know what I mean? I just give this 1 minute OB tap. New 5-minute and 15-minute candle just opened up. Limit set at 200. I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, I think it's just gonna go. Like I said, late to seeing the 5-minute gap. Doing too much yapping, too much complaining about the situation. Not locked in and focused. Oh shit! Fuck off! No way. Come on. You gonna do me like that? I need this fill, boys. I really don't want to chase this. It's tempting. I'm tempted to like do the 5 micros and just hop in here, but I think part of me is like I'd rather just miss the trade. So 200 or nothing. 200 or nothing. Man, 8:30 open is a fucking wall. That's crazy. Don't tell me. The high 198, 2 points. 2 points from filling the limit. It is an SMT, yes, but we already sponsored new highs from that SMT, and we also have SMT at previous weekly high, and we just generated all this liquidity. I don't know. Yeah, I'm liking lower here in this hour. You can see how the previous hourly candle closed as well. Like, look how bearish this ended up closing. Well, taking in, everyone's actually, dude, come on. Come on, bro. New 5. New 5-minute candle just opened up. Is you really not going to film me, bro? Come on. That's crazy. 6 ticks. This is scary. Yeah, that's why I don't want to chase it. I'm like, I'm like, if I can't get an entry I want, then I probably shouldn't be in it. When it goes, it's just going to be a fucking Drake candle too. It's going to be fast. We've seen this before. Oops. Why don't I short the IFEG? I just don't want to short down here. I don't want to short down here. This range could fuck me up. So I'm just looking at a premium and discount. I want to be short from premium. Or as close to premium. I guess this isn't even premium. She might go, boys. That's so gay. 6, yeah, 6 ticks from my limit order. Yeah, a little, some might say a little choppy today, huh? I mean, look at these wicks. Langston says, wouldn't know, can't log in. Lang, just look at my chart. Let me be your eyes. Revenge trading heavy? No, don't do it. Better trades are around the corner. Don't go into Thanksgiving feeling unthankful. Ugh. Why didn't I get in? I was just not focused. I was not focused. I was kind of complaining and didn't even bother to check any other time frames. And I saw this 5-minute late. My fault though. I mean, I was just kind of, I wasn't locked in. Ain't it crazy how just like the littlest shit, like your fucking PC crashing, is just like throws everything. It just throws you off. It just throws you off your game. Feel all flustered and discombobulated. Rough, right? I don't know, guys. Stop asking me what's wrong with Top Step. I don't know. Don't use them. That's all I can say. Don't fucking use them. If you use them and you have issues at this point, it's kind of on you. I mean, it's like they just have issues every day. That's true. I am streaming. Yeah. Quit distracting me. Quit distracting me, chat. I'm trying to trade here. Yeah, I kind of think this trade is gone, to be honest with you. Part of me is just like, if it even were to come back to my entry at this point, that's... I don't know if that's a great sign, right? Are we SMTing? No. As it's coming straight up to my entry. Ah, this is just so nasty. What do I want to do? I don't like it, boys. I don't like it anymore. I wanted this, and then I'd be break even by now. So for that reason... let's flatten all. I'm gonna take this off. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna tape read it though. Let's see what happens. Maybe it was a bad decision. Maybe it was a great decision. Let's find out. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it anymore after this move. This 5-minute. Watch it just be like the cleanest short you've ever fucking seen. That'd just be the most fitting thing. But there's an element of time that I'm thinking about as well. It's 10:27. Like, so I just don't think we got time on our side really either. And this just looks terrible. This 5-minute looks god awful. So, gonna use some discretion. And we'll see what happens, dog. Ah, man. Yeah, we got 10:30 incoming here in a couple of minutes. Yeah, man, dang. See if it plays out, but like I said, just not digging how this is all kind of setting up. It's just a little too iffy for my liking, so might as well be safe. Already took one loss today, so definitely if I'm feeling iffy about another trade, it's like, just be patient. Wait for something that's a little bit more, you can have a little bit more conviction in. There'll be another one coming around the mountain when it comes, right, chat? Or something like that. But let's do a giveaway while we wait, huh? What's the like count at? What's the like count at, boys? 40 likes? What are we doing? 40 likes? Come on. 100 likes at least for giveaway number 1. 100 likes. Let's get to 100 likes. We'll run a giveaway while we wait here. And then we got more coming. More giveaways coming, but we'll do the first one at 100 likes. Also, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Wow, the likes fucking jumped up real quick. You guys are literally holding the likes. You guys are literally holding the likes. Like, I don't even know. Like a fat kid holds a donut. You're not letting go of those. You're not giving them away. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's it's yours, and you want everyone to know it's yours. Anyway, all right, let's do a giveaway quick while we wait here. Oh, what should we do? What should we do? You know, let's do a duck race, huh? Let me grab the form. Made it last night, boys. Made it last night, so I came prepared today. Give me 1 second. Let me grab that. We'll drop it in the chat. Now, I believe for the duck race that it's only up to 100 people can be in it. So it's the first 100, all right? Now let me grab this. Copy link. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. So the first 100 will be for the duck race. We'll also, if we get more than 100, which is very likely, we'll do like a spinning wheel or something else so everybody can get involved in some giveaways to some form or fashion, boys and girls, all right? So I don't want anyone to feel left out. But there you go. Grab the form in the chat. Fill it out. We'll give you guys like 5 minutes, all right? Give you like 5 minutes to fill that out, and then we'll run a giveaway while we're just kind of waiting here and watching price chop around. Tape reading this was a limit that I had on. I took it off just because I didn't like the way that it started to look. I just don't like the where we're at kind of time wise as well. So 1 L on the day already. Trying to be smart here. Trying to be smart. Sometimes it's easier said than done, right? But yeah, we'll run a giveaway. Let me get the duck race. Let me get the duck race pulled up. Yeah, get a little duck race going. Why not? Why not? Come on. Why not? Can't understand the chart. You're off. What's this for IP grab link? What? Lorenzo, I don't know what that is. I don't know what you're saying. Are you asking for my IP address? I can't give you that. Please nobody fucking hack me. I'll tell you, if someone hacks me, no more streams. Nope. That'll be the fastest way. I'll be launching a private group so fast. Get me off the intranet. Get me off the internet. All right, guys, 90 responses so far. 10 more will run a duck race because I believe it's only up to 100. But obviously, keep filling out the response, the form, even if you're not in the top 100, because we'll still do something else. We'll still do something else so everybody's included. But the first one will be the first 100 for a duck race while we wait here. All right. 5 more spots left, boys. Also, yeah, you must be following on YouTube and on X. Don't complain, just do it. Don't complain, just do it. And you got to hit the like button. You got to like the stream. I'll be honest with you. There's really no way for me to verify that you liked the stream. I got to trust you. You got to use the honesty system here. I'm just going to assume that you liked it. I'll be honest. There's no way for me to check it. I'll have no idea if you did or didn't. That is the truth. I won't know. All right, guys, we got over 100 responses. Keep filling out the form though. Keep filling out the form. We will obviously do something else here a little later on as well. But let me grab the first 100. Let me load up the duck race. As of right now, guys, it is looking like a great idea to take that trade off. I would have had my stop above this 5-minute FVG candle is where I put it. And it's looking like, the only way that this would work is if we sweep this high or something and then we turtle soup and sell. But yeah, looking like a good trade avoided. There it is. Yeah, that would have been an L, boys. So W's in the chat. Avoiding a loss is just as good as a win, right? So W's in the chat for that. W's in the chat for an avoided L. Right on. Right on, right on. Get these side by side here. All right, let me get the responses here. Give me a sec. Come on. All right. Grabbing the... Oh, what do I do here? Do I grab the... Let me hide your guys' emails here quick. Don't want to dox any of you. Don't want to dox any of you. I'm going to grab your YouTube names, boys and girls, just so we can see, obviously, who is who. Oh, Nins, bro. Nins, you just missed it. You're literally 101. Oh, Nins. Nins. That sucks. Hey, gotta be fat. Gotta be quicker than that. Don't worry, we'll do Nins, we'll do Nins, I'm not joking either. Look at this shit. Look at you, bro. You're 101, bro. Oh, we'll do something. Oh shit. We'll do something else though. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Let me load up the duck race here. Oh, God, I'm already forgetting how to do it again. Oh, it says if I pay for premium, I can do up to 1,000. Fuck that shit. Listen, I love you guys. I don't know if I love you that much. Oh, why is this not working? Colors and costumes. There we go. Numbers, names, edit list. All right, here we go. There it is. Scared me for a second. Wait, now it says I only have 99. Did I miss one? Oh. Oh, Nins. Good news, bro. Good news, Nins. So I just highlighted 2 through 100, not realizing that the first row counts as the first one. So guess what, Nins? You're in. Nins, you're in. Bro, you're in. How about that? Nins is in it. Nins is in it to win it. Fucking easy work. Done. Okay. Now, there we go. Okay. All right, boys. Let's go go full screen here. Here we go. All right. Is my head in the way? I don't think it is. I think we're good, right? You know what bugs me? All these ads popping up. What is these ads for? All right, let's do... So we got the names. I'm not going to edit the list again. Son of a bitch. Easy. Don't worry, Nins. I won't forget you. Wait. No, hang on. Jeez. It's like it was my first time using a computer. Done. All right. We got the list. Oh, yeah. What do you guys think? Like a little 30-second? A little 30 seconds, something like that. Set. All right, boys and girls. Got the duck. We're about to punch new all-time highs on NQ. Nice. All right, boys. Let's get it rocking and rolling. First giveaway is... Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. I'll never get over that duck quacking sound. That shit is loud as shit. We got Elvis Trades out in front. Elvis Trades 100. We all know how this ends, though. Elvis Trades, I'm sorry, buddy. You're going to run out of gas. Everybody always does. Everybody always runs out of gas in the last lap. Yep, here we go. We got Aman. Is this the guy that asks if I love him every single day? Aman! Woo-hoo! Aman, do you love me, Aman? Aman, do you love me, Aman? Remove winner from the next race. Race again? Yeah. You know, fuck it. Let's do it. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Why not? It's 10:40. We still got 10 minutes to the next macro. We'll do 2 duck races. Aman, congratulations if you're in the chat. Speak now, forever hold your peace. Aman, shoot me a DM either on Instagram or if you're in the Discord, you can open up a ticket in there as well. Just send like a little screenshot of your YouTube, so I know it's you. But all right, guys, good luck. We'll run it one more time here. Let's shuffle the characters, actually. All right, we shuffled them. We'll start us off. Good luck, everybody. You want to do 45 seconds? Make it longer? How do I go back? All right, I was worried about the names changing. All right, clear. 45 seconds. Fuck it, we'll do 69 seconds. What do we care? All right, minute 9. 69 seconds on the clock. Everybody, on your marks. Get set. Go! I wish I could talk like an auctioneer. I feel like that'd be so fun. If I could talk like an auctioneer. I can't do that shit, though. We got Lord Ducks. We got Lord Ducks out in front. See, this is the problem with this. The moment somebody gets out in front, you just know that, like, they're not winning. The first people in front, you know that they're going to run out of gas. They're going to blow a gasket. Their radiator's going to overheat. Something's going to happen. That duck just doesn't have it in them. They don't got the heart. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to peak too early in this game. We got stock market 2197 thinking he's doing something, and then he's going to get that. Yeah, it's a fake out. We got Donald Trump. Tom Benson out in front here. Tom Benson. Oh, Israel came in and stole it. Now we got Russia. Coming in. Chelsea's trying to make a push. We got Angelino with 20 seconds to go. I don't know, Angelino. I've never seen someone hold a lead that long. I've never seen it. Someone's going to come flying from the back. Here he freaking comes. Joe Biden has woke up from his nap. Starshot might have a chance. Who's it going to be? What? Elvis! Elvis had the lead early. He gave it up and he said, I need to conserve energy and I'm going to hit the nitrous at the end. Stixner was coming in hot too. I tell you what. Jeez Louise. Elvis trades 100. Elvis trades. Congratulations. Jeez. So we got Aman and Elvis for the first 2 giveaway winners. We'll do a couple more probably, boys and girls. So don't worry. Congrats to Aman and Elvis trades. So Elvis, are you in the chat, Elvis? Elvis trades. Where are you, pal? I haven't seen that name in the chat ever, I don't think. Elvis trades. Stock market. You had it. I thought you might have had that. All right, there he is. What's up, Elvis? Rock on. Same thing for you, Elvis. Shoot me a DM on Instagram or open up a ticket on Discord and just send like your YouTube in there, and then I'll get you guys codes after stream here. Yeah, man. This is actually the first red day in a little while. I mean, even bro, here's the sad part. I know it kind of looks bad. It looks bad, but I don't have a course to sell you anyway, so I don't give a fuck. It looks bad because even on like these days in the live streams, like we've been green, break even. But like even these, like, so we had a nice little green streak here, and then these were like the L's 3 days in a row on stream. And all 3 of these days, if you were following me on Twitter, in the Discord, or just following along just in the community section on my YouTube, I showed the like afternoon trades that I took where I traded back into green on these days. So like even these red days ended up being green days. Yeah, so as far as that goes, it's been fine, but obviously, you know, it kind of sucks. I do feel bad when I lose on stream and then like I make it back off stream. But then again, it's like, why do I need to feel bad? I don't need to feel bad. It's not like you guys are paying me to watch me trade. You know, it's not like I'm obligated, but you know, I get how it looks. Like if I was on the other side of the screen and I was like, dude, this guy fucking lost and then he made it back without me. Fuck this guy. You know what I mean? I'd be a little salty. I can understand that. I'd be a little salty. But it is what it is. Hey, don't copy trade. That's why you don't signal bot. Jeez, man, what are we gonna do here, boys? Do you guys still like Asia low for a target? Yes or no? This morning. You know, gosh. Well, new 15-minute candle just opened up. I mean, I kind of like that we generated these lows here too, but new 15 just opened up. We got macro starting shortly. Maybe this 5-minute inversion could be something we could use if it happens, but it's pretty gross today. I'm not gonna lie, chat. It's pretty gross today. I think we all kind of are in agreement there. The nice thing is after this 5-minute closes, we'll be in that macro. Look at these hourly candles, guys. Yeah. You know, like what if we were able to you know, catch a little something like this, perhaps. At least then we'll have timing. We'll have time on our side. We'll have the time on our side, boys. So it happens here. We got 2 minutes till the close, so. But anyway, yeah, we got what? Tradeify PX is good for y'all. I doubt it. I mean, if it's down in one firm, it's probably down everywhere. Would be my guess. You guys can confirm that, but it is amazing that Topstep made everybody just trade on that platform alone. It's just amazing how many issues they have, considering that is the only option. You know what I mean? That's the crazy part. It's working good now. It wasn't earlier. It might be back on now. Perhaps it's back on now. Yeah, guys, if this just wicks and we don't create an inversion, then there's really nothing to do here. Nothing to do here as far as this trade's concerned. And then maybe it'll be time to start looking for higher objectives depending on what we do, but yeah, if it doesn't start looking better than this, I mean, I'm probably not going to take anything else. Because what's the point? What's the point? We do still have buy side 310. And then obviously previous weekly high 361. Macro is starting. Yeah. 5-minute. Nothing there. Nothing there on this 5-minute. Not there at least, but let's see what we get here now that we're in the macro. She's a tough read, chat. She's a tough read. I don't know what we're about to do. NASDAQ is not happy right now. NASDAQ is very angry. NASDAQ says, it's your money and I need it now. That's what NASDAQ is saying right now. It's your guys' money, but I need it now, is what it's saying. I probably should leave that on. It's not your money. It's my money. Oh. What's up, Connor? No, he's switching to blackjack? All right. Listen, are you hitting on a soft what's the debate in blackjack? Is it like hitting on a soft 16 or something? I forget. I just need to know. That's probably just a pit asset. I already know what your answer is gonna be. Well, it depends on what the dealer's showing. All right, let's say the dealer's showing us. Let's say the dealer's showing a 7, and you got a soft 16. Are you hitting it? Dealer showing 7 through 10, you hit 16, but yeah, not if you use a little bit of intuition, Tyler. See, this is why, hey, listen, this is why sometimes it's like, hey. Sometimes you just say, you know what? I just watched all these people turn over number cards. Like, I know I'm bound to get a fucking face card. I just watched 5 people get a number card right next to me. Why am I thinking that I'm going to get one too? I'm thinking I'm getting a face card if I hit. I don't want to do that. You know what I mean? I understand that it's by the book, but like, you know, fuck the book. I am the book. Okay? I am the book. I make the rules here, not you. You know what I mean? I don't care who the fuck I piss off at the table. Go find another table, bitch. I'm here to win. I'm here to win. I don't care about your chips. I care about my chips. All right? it's probably why I'm not the best blackjack player in the world, but hey. Fuck it, hey. Still had fun though. You know what I mean? Still had fun. I hate guys who say you ruined our chances, dude. Tyler Jacobs in the chat, that's him for sure. If you don't play 100% by the book, he gets all angry, all upset. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bro. Oh, he does that too. He's like, oh. Fucking bad body language. You're just like, whatever, bro. Guess we're not having fun. You know, God forbid I also try to flirt with the dealer who's a man. Approximately 65 years of age. I don't care. He might be into it. You know what I mean? I'll take any advantage I can get. I don't care. Give it to me. Give it to me, Blanson. Oh, yeah. Well, here's the thing. I feel like since we're not really respecting like OT of this range, I mean, if anything, it's like, are we going to start to get this just grind higher now? Yeah, I'm really just like perplexed. Obviously, we're holding bullish order flow in the sense of like, even if you're looking at this 5-minute, we inversed here, we're holding bullish here. I mean, so order flow is definitely telling us that we're starting to shift. I would say, it's just like, am I willing to trust some like an inversion here, right? And just go for this recent buy side level. I'll do it because we're in the macro. Ooh. All right. I'm gonna put a limit on here, boys. Ride or die. Ride or die. 238.50 is my limit. I'm gonna try to take this up to new highs. Where the hell is it? There we go. right, I'm in. Just got filled. Let's see. This will be last trade of the day. I mean, obviously whether it works or whether it doesn't. 20-point stop. And then we'll do some more giveaways after. Yeah, get the likes up, boys. Let's get 200 likes for the next giveaway. 200 likes. 200 likes. The big 200. Yeah, TradeSync has also popped up a notification saying that Project X is having issues. All right. Yeah, this is the P&L. We'll get that shown. Let's see. I mean, yeah, I really want to see us get to external highs. I'm thinking once ES takes out this external high, could be good break even. Might partial up here a little bit. Nice push. Only degens like us would trade this? All right, that's fine with me. I like being a degen. I just hope like we don't take this little high and then just full blown reverse. That would suck, but it looks good. Bashi says, no way bro is buying here. Why? Bashi, what do you know that I don't? There's just no way bro's buying here. Bashi. Listen, man, I'm just reading the candlesticks. Just reading the candlesticks. Quit being mean. God forbid a white boy get a little motion. You know? God forbid a white brethren get a little motion. I'm going break even when ES takes this high. I'm debating if I want to take like a little partial off as well. You know what I mean? Just because we've been so choppy today, it's like, a little iffy, but. All right, nice push. I am going to take a couple off because I am kind of a bitch. And we're up like a nice RR here. I'll even do one more off. Get to the close this candle actually. Yeah, let's do that. All right. I took 3 of my 10 off. And I will go break even now. I'll do another. I'm going to do another couple off here at the high. I'm trying to have a good Thanksgiving, you know what I mean? If I close now, I could be green in the day, but that's bad trading. That's bad trading, Tyler. I don't want to see us close below this rejection block. New hour. All right, couple more off there. Couple more off there. We're holding this rejection block for now with SMT. New hour just opened up as well. No, we had no lower wick. We're putting it in now. There we go. Oh, what the hell? We'll take even one more off. 3 left on. And honestly, I'm going to trail this. Trying to get us through kind of this macro push. Yeah, this buy side level lines up with 1 standard deviations of this projection here. I like that, but see if we can get there. Trailed stop to 263. Yeah, it might even go, could even go to like this hourly open just below it. Wouldn't want to see this hourly candle flip back bearish. Yeah, I'll explain the trade in a little bit. God, the partialing looks fucking atrocious here, but that's all right. Looking good, man. Last 5 minutes here of the macro coming in. New 5 minute just opened up. I'm going to trail a little bit more to this high. 281. Come on, NASDAQ. Go get those highs. Go get them. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, good, good, good. I was worried it was going to close back below this high. One more push. Come on, NASDAQ. You got it. You got it, my brother. My brethren, you've got it. I want to see us keep closing candles above highs. Getting into the end of the macro here shortly. Looking good. Yeah, as far as like timing element to this, I think I'm gonna hop out there. Flat and all. I'm out there. The reason for it is because I'm worried that now that the macro is coming close to the end, that we could see us just generate another new high here and then come take it out later. Could retrace. We got 5-minute gaps in here, so I'm not gonna be a dick for this last little move here. Nice trade. Ends up looking something like that, but see if it wants to give this last push like in the last 2 minutes of the macro. But red to green on the day. I know it's not much. Total profit for the day is 1,200, 246 per account. Oh, all right. Might have left the last 10 points on the table here, chat. Might have left the last 10 points on the table. Let's see. Let's see. But yeah, I'll go over the trade here in a little bit. I just want to see. I want to see if this completes. I think it looks like it's going to now, yeah. Oh? I'm telling you guys, NQ likes to do shit like this. It likes to print lower highs and generate a bigger liquidity pool and then give retracements. So that is what I was trying to avoid here. Let's see. Trying to avoid this retracement and then, you know, instead of closing here, getting trailed out here is what I was thinking. What are you going to do, Nazi? No one speak. Who's still holding? Question mark. We do have previous weekly high at 362 as well. And -2 standard deviation puts us above that. I mean, that'd be quite the move here, but it could happen. It could happen, especially with the way that we were so fucking choppy in 10 a.m. It's like it was just coiling up for a big move. Accumulating for a big expansion. Wouldn't that be something? Let's see. My trail was 281. So if we come back to this high, it was a good close. Holding the 310. Stock operators holding to 360. Yeah, man. All I can say though really is like obviously sucks that we took this L, filtered out an L, which is good, and then flipped here once this was kind of showing that it was respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish order flow. And that's really what this idea was more so framed off of, is just as stubborn as I like to be sometimes. It's like when market is showing you that it's not going to do what you initially expected, you just got to fucking swallow your pride and trade what you see. Don't marry your bias. That is what they say. Dude, I'm just stalling here because I'm waiting. I'm like, are we gonna go take out that high or what? Take it out, dude. My macro's over. Go ahead. One more push. One more push. Or retrace so I look like a genius. Make me look good, NASDAQ. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Sorry, I'm not rooting against you guys. Kinda am though. Think how cool that'll be. You guys be like, oh my god, Tyler's so fucking smart. Oh my god, Tyler's so genius for exiting there. What a fucking smart guy. Just kidding. No one will think that. 5-minute gap. Come on. Get that push. Yeah, this might... We'll see if it retraces any more than this. Then we'll do some more giveaways, guys. What's the like count at? What's the like count at? 172. We didn't even get to 200 likes, boys. How are we supposed to do another giveaway? How are we supposed to do another giveaway? When we're not at 200 likes, how are we supposed to do another giveaway? Do you guys not want to? We don't have to. We can wait. It's fine by me. Look at the daily, please. I already looked at the daily to start the stream. I know what the daily looks like. I'm not going to look at it again. Not doing it. All right, boys, let me grab the YouTube names here. I'm going to load them all up into a wheel of names, boys. Oh. Rock on, rock on. All right, guys. Also, we're retracing here. Let's hang on. Let's stall for one more. Let's stall for one more second. Hit the like button, chat. Hit the like button. Listen, we literally did pretty much one of everything today. We lost, filtered out a loss, took a win, partialing our little behind off here. Try to explain everything. And I guess I'll explain the trade here. I guess, why not? So what I'm seeing here is obviously we're going to come take out this Asia low and all this generated liquidity that we made. I just don't see why price would invalidate this 5-minute here, right? So we traded above this, traded above first presented gap again as well. And then we're holding, like we were waiting for this inversion to go take out this low. We just weren't getting it. We're holding, we're respecting it. So why am I going to, force shorts against that when there's buy side close proximity? So scaled into the 1 minute, and then got this 1 minute inversion. Got picked up, obviously initially wicked down. My stop was 20 points. If you ask me why my stop is where it is, you could make the argument that it was a little arbitrary, but basically I just wanted it to be protected by this gap that we inversed and then also first presented gap. And then I'm looking at these wicks on the 1 minute, and I'm telling myself, I'm like, I just don't think we should see us go back below here, because this is all efficient. You know what I mean? Like this gap has already been traded into, retesting this 5 minute. And look at, we're wicking all of this. Like this should all be efficient in a perfect world. So that's why I put my stop here. I didn't really have like a precise number or price that I was putting it at. It was more so I'm just putting it below some PD arrays that I don't want to see fail. And also I wanted it below this body right here. This little up close candle. So that's just kind of what I was eyeing up when I placed it here. For the record. But yeah, just really just seeing everything that was bearish fail. Bullish hold. We're in the macro. So I literally verbatim what I said before I took it. I said, do I trust it? I said, we're in the macro, so I guess I will. And that's what I did. Took it and away we went. Nice trade. Got back on the right side of the P&L, so we'll take it. We'll take it. But yeah, this was actually the first L of the week right here. And honestly, you could argue that it shouldn't have happened. I didn't wait for, macro. I didn't wait for the time that I usually do. So it was a little early. So this probably could have been an avoided loss as well if I just was more patient. Man, this thing is just stalling, bro. I can't believe it. Just kidding. I kind of can. NASDAQ does shit like this. But dang. How's it going to tease you guys like that? Honestly, like, it's like, man, sometimes that's worth the exit alone. It's like, is it worth the 10 points, or is it worth just avoiding 10 minutes of just stalling out? Get it to him. It'll be quick. I think it'll just spike right up there. Hopefully. There it is. All right. Boom. All right. So I left 10 points on the table. Maybe a little bit more. But there you go. Target hit at 11.18. Don't you guys like the 11.18 macro? But all right, guys. Congrats to anybody that took these longs. Let's do a giveaway, huh? What do we have for likes? 183, guys. 200 likes. Come on. Hit the like button. Let's get to 200 likes. You got it, Annie. There's more than 200 of you watching. Hit the like button. And then we'll run this Wheel of Names giveaway. Come on. Come on. Don't be stingy. One person just unliked it. Listen, we don't have to do a giveaway. I don't care. I'll go into the weekend. I'll keep these accounts to myself. I'll full port every single one of them. See if I care. All right, we're almost there. 10 more. Come on, boys. Come on. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. It's Thanksgiving, guys. It's Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for all of you. Hopefully you're thankful for the live streams. Hopefully they're serving a purpose. I know we like to have some fun. We like to have some laughs. We like to troll each other back and forth. But I do hope that at the end of the day that, one, not only do you find it fun to show up to the live streams every day and hang out and trade and, kind of breaks up the monotony and the boringness of trading sometimes, but also hopefully there's some value. I do try to explain really thoroughly why I take the trades that I take, so that way hopefully people can learn something from it, both from the wins and from the losses. I try to, even if I lose, I try to explain like why I think it lost. So there could be something to be learned there as well. But it's look at the chart. What about it? What about it? Previous weekly high or bust? I'm with it. That was literally the first thing I said this morning on stream. I'm like, I know we got SMT at Asia lows, or I'm sorry, what did I say? I'm like, I know we got SMT at the previous weekly high with ES, remember? Guys, remember I said that this morning? Remember? I'm like, I know we got previous weekly high divergence, but I'm like, I still think NQ catches up and takes it out eventually. Now, intraday, it looked like we were maybe going to target sell side first. We did get a little sell off here, but then finally we rounded off here. But yeah, previous weekly high looking like it's going to be the play here, boys. All right, guys, wheel of names. Good luck, everybody. We got everybody that filled out the form in the giveaway here. And it is... Oh, Kelsic the Robin. Robin, are you there? Kelsic, Robin, which one do I call you? I wonder if these people that filled out the form like way before left the stream. Are you in the chat, Robin? If not, we will have to respin. Other Robin? Oh, no. No. All right. Might have to respin here. Let's do this. Some of you guys are asking. This is why you show up on time. This is why you show up on time, boys. This is why you show up on time. We're gonna do a quick little speed round here. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Save. You guys got 2 minutes. If you're just showing up to stream. Since we don't have to cap it. Since we don't have to cap it at 100. We can give you guys 2 more minutes and get into the responses here. But Robin, let's see. Kelsic the Trader here. Kelsic the Trader. Why does it say Kelsic the Robin though? I literally got your YouTube usernames in there. Let's see. I do not want to finesse anyone, boys. I don't want to finesse anyone. Let me double check the names. Kelsic the Robin. Yeah, that is the name, actually. All right, Kelsic the Robin. Looks like he's here. Kelsic the Trader, Kelsic the Robin, one or the other. Is here, is in the chat. We got Kelsic is thankful for life. Kelsic is thankful for life, boys and girls. And let's see, our other winners today so far. We'll do another one here. Don't worry. Let's see these answers, boys. Let's see them. We're looking for Aman. We got to find him, boys. We got to find him. Oh, hang on. You guys can't see it really. Here we go. There's Aman. Aman is thankful for he loves me. Aman is thankful for he loves me. Aw, thanks, Aman. You know, I'm thankful for that as well. Who was the other? Why am I forgetting who the other one was? Who was the other giveaway winner? It was Aman and... Elvis Trades. That's what it was. Elvis Trades. Yeah. All right, let's find Elvis here quick. We got to see what Elvis is grateful for. Let's see what Elvis is grateful for. Elvis. Where you at, Elvis? Elvis, where the hell are you? Are you all the way at the top, Elvis? There he is. Trading NQ sometimes. Elvis Elias is grateful for NQ sometimes. Ain't that so right, chat? Ain't that so right? Kelsic, by the way, shoot me a DM either on Twitter or it could be Twitter, IG, or you could open up a ticket in the Discord if you're in there as well. All right, guys, let's run the giveaway again. A couple of you guys added some responses, so let me go ahead and grab these quick. We'll add you in there, boys. We'll add you in there. We're not going to leave anyone out. We're not going to leave anyone out. Although if you did win already today, you can't win again. So if we do get a repeat winner, then we will obviously reroll. All right. All right, there we go. All right, guys, let's run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Good luck, everybody. We got Elvis, we got Aman, and we've got Kelsic the trader. Yeah, we'll do a couple more yet. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, Hindsight King almost had it. Kumar, are you in the chat, Kumar? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Kumar, are you there? Or should we re-roll Kumar? Hindsight King, you almost had it. I did find Kumar in the, he is there. Okay, what's up, Kumar? Kumar, guys, says he is thankful for every opportunities. Plural. Kumar says he's thankful for every opportunities. Kumar, if you can, shoot me a DM, IG, Twitter, or open up a ticket in the Discord. We'll do one more here, chat. We'll do one more here. We'll do one more here. I really wish we could do. I wish we could do the duck race with over 100 people. We can, but I think I have to pay for it. I don't want to pay. I don't want to do it that bad. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do it that bad. It's just not as it's not as fun, right? It's not as fun with the wheel, I don't think. But hey, we'll shuffle this up a couple times. Last one of the day, boys. And by the way, if you're not in the Discord already, go on the Discord. We're going to do more giveaways, likely over Thanksgiving and Black Friday over the weekend. So I'll have things for us to do in there, all right? So hop in there if you're not in there already. I'll drop the link one more time. It's also in the description of the live stream, boys and girls. I need Adblock Plus. I need something, bro. I need something. I'm not going to click it because it'll end up opening it for me. So let me not do that. All right, 1 second here before we go. You know what I'm grateful for? I'm grateful for not having the stream crash a second time. That's what I'm grateful for. All right, guys. Good luck. Final spin. And your winner is Lil Pestotira. Lil Pestotira, are you there? Lil Pestotira, are you there? Let me know, Lil Pestotira. Hey, Lil Pestotira is here. Hang on, let me find you. Let me find you in the gotta find what you're grateful for here, Lil Pestotira. Also, yeah, if someone didn't fill it out, do I not give it to him? I guess I didn't make it required. Lil Pestotira, I can't find you. Lil Pestotira, how did you even get in here? Where are you? I know there's probably an easier way to look for this, but don't judge me. Lil Pestotira. Why can't I find you? There he is. Life. Yay. Hey, listen. Simple. Simple, grateful for life. Can't hate it at all. Congratulations, a Lil Pestotira. Congratulations, Aman, Kumar, Elvis Trades, Kelsic the Robin. Congrats to the giveaway winners today. Like I said, hop in the Discord if you guys aren't already, and we will. Oops, jeez. We'll do even more giveaways over the weekend, boys. But I guess without further ado, congrats to the people that went long on this with me as well. Kind of a back and forth day. Red to green on the P&L. But obviously always going to be... Never going to complain about ending green. So if you guys haven't heard already, 40% off Black Friday sale on the 25K and 50K lightning funded accounts with Tradeify, 50K, 100K, and 150K growth accounts. Code TT or code Tyler if you'd like to support the stream. If you wouldn't like to support the stream, well, then that's pretty rude of you. But, you know, that's your prerogative, I guess. But, yep. If you guys want, snag those. Take advantage of that over the weekend. It ends on Monday, December 1st. But I guess, man, without further ado, yeah, guys, appreciate you guys as always. Thanks for showing up. Hope you guys enjoy the holidays. Hope you guys enjoy Thanksgiving, time with family. You know, don't feel too bad about getting fat and eating some food because we're all going to do it. We're all going to do it, boys. And it's going to be a good time. But I'm not going to be trading the rest of the week. And I will be back here, obviously, next week. Looking ahead real quick. If we can, let's go ahead and take a peek at the calendar for next week, boys. Obviously, it should be NFP protocol, right? Yeah, so we got NFP. Wait a minute. No, it's not. So we have Wednesday with the non-farm. Wait. Yeah, we got non-farm on Wednesday. Okay. All right, so we got Monday, December 1st, Red Folder News, 9 a.m. This is, I believe this is, it's not the right time. There we go. That's better. No News Tuesday, a non-farm event Wednesday. One deployment Thursday. All right. We'll keep an eye on that. I don't know if we're going to... if anything's going to change or not. But yeah, man, that'll be that, guys. Appreciate you guys. Hey, like I said, enjoy the holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And we'll see you guys back here next week. All right. Peace and love, chat. We'll see you later on.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Jones on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Futures bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Futures bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age, every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king ruling the day trader age.